Hey, friends of Lynn, it's Mike, Lynn's husband. She wanted me to tell you that she will be back. Probably gonna need another week or so at least. She's come down with the shingles. Not fun. Not fun at all. In fact, she said, I need to go record a video. And I said, Lynn, you're kind of drugged up. As funny as it may be, let me do it for you just so it makes sense. And well, she agreed. But she just wanted me to let you all know that she's doing better. She's getting better every day. And she'll be back on the color thing pretty soon. I don't know what color you guys left off with, but you should have plenty of time to do something really cool with it. And I'm sure she'll have lots of things to tell you about it when she gets back. So, not an April Fool's joke. It's for real. Been a little down and out for the past little bit. She's in a lot of pain, but as soon as she gets better, she'll be back and walking you guys through all the color stuff. So we'll talk to you all later. I'll talk to you later. Maybe I might appear in a video or two. Who knows? Just comment below if you'd like to see that. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Take care.